Last time on Dragon Ball Z, Gohan got abducted. Goku died. Now Goku has been walking across Snake Man Way. Let's see what happens on this episode of Dragon Ball Z. Been walking for hours. Oh my god. Is that the end? Oh, I think that's the end. Let's go then. Oh, it's the end. Wait. What? Oh, it's the planet. Now, how do I get up there? Oh, I did it. Okay. I made it.
Get the fuck out of this bitch. Get the fuck out of here, bitch. Hello. Hello there.
Are you King Kai?
Yeah.
Who's that?
Oh, that's someone that works for Brazzers.
For Brazzers? What's a Brazzers? I don't know what a Brazzers is.
I don't know, but he also does OF sometimes.
Alright, bye-bye. Young, what's his name?
Yeah, he sometimes does. I'm King Kai.
Yeah, I know what your name is. I don't know what his name is. You know, it doesn't matter. King Kai, I've came to train with you.
Jimmy Fallon?
Huh?
His name was Jimmy Fallon. Anyway, you came here to train?
Yeah.
Yeah,
I want to learn how to be
Fallon.
strong so I can fight the two Saiyans that are coming to Earth 1 year from now.
Damn. Okay.
What?
Now first we gotta get you manned up. So take my phone and search up, and I already have some OF OnlyFans page
What
up.
is
So.
this? Ew. These are naked girls.
Oh, wait. Let me see that. I gotta get one for you. Chi. Okay, there you go.
Chi-Chi? What the? What is an OF?
Needs OnlyFans.
OnlyFans? That means it's like a place for only her fans?
Yep, pretty much.
You know, I don't care about that. I need to fight the Saiyans that are
big booty Latinas.
I need to fight the Saiyans that are coming from 1 year from now. And why is Steve here?
We're not filming the Minecraft movie.
Alright, what can I learn, Kai? What can I learn?
You gotta go Super Saiyan.
What's this Super Saiyan?
Oh, you don't wait. Can I force wall break real quick?
Sure.
You see what I have to put up with? He doesn't even know what a Super Saiyan is. Really? Whoever's watching this, help me. I'm being held hostage. I'm not being held hostage. Anyway.
I'm not gonna learn.
Renegade. You gotta learn the Kaioken, but first, you gotta make me laugh, motherfucker.
I don't really know jokes. I have a good one. Why did the chicken cross the road?
Why?
To get to the other side.
Get the fuck out. Get the fuck out.
Oh, you laughed.
I didn't laugh. That was funny. That was not funny. We don't allow that in this house. Get the fuck out.
Wow. I got a great thing. Do you know what Skibbity Toilet Riz is? Because my Gohan watches it.
What the fuck is Gohan?
I got the good thing.
What?
You're making this too long than it has to be.
Got the good thing.
Ow!
Good.
Say.
Okay, you're laughing. Alright, King Kai, teach me Kaioken. How long will it take me? I want this halo off my head.
There's nothing on your head, though.
Give me a minute.
Anyway.
I want this halo off my head.
Okay. Okay, now I got it.
Let's do
It's gonna take you
this.
47 hours. Wait, what?
Holy.
It's gonna take you 47 hours to get this Kaioken ready in And then at the span of 2.4 seconds, you gotta do you gotta do whatever the fuck, you gotta be horny 24/7.
Alright,
You gotta be horny
let's
24/7.
train!
Vegeta!
Have you heard Raditz died?
How did Reddit die?
I do
He
not
was
know.
my best friend! He helped me kill my wife! And now he's dead?
I only know because of my scouter.
Fucking scouter.
Yes.
I'm giving you the hard tone tonight. Continue.
We're going to planet Earth.
Why?
Murdering all the humans. For killing.
That sounds like genocide, but I'm down. Can I hold your
We're
hand?
here. No. I gotta tell you what happened to your dad.
What to my dad?
Oh.
I
you'll
like the
find out.
skibidi toilet house. Okay.
Okay. We're not doing any brain rot crap here. You hear me?
More time.
I'm the one watching you. Hey, look at me. Your dad died.
Porn? What?
Your dad died.
Daddy?
Yeah. So I'm teleporting to a mountain now. Shut up. I'm teleporting to a thing now. Okay. Alright, Brett.
Chained up.
You're
This
gonna
is
be
illegal
fighting
like
in here. You're gonna be training in here for 6 months.
Wait, who's gonna train me then, pendejo?
Alright. Get in here. You're not that stupid.
What's skibidi toilet for a living? I'm that stupid.
What I said.
I'm
Alright, you're gonna be
skibidi, I
fighting
can
here
do
for
this.
6.
I'm
Shut
skibidi.
up!
But why skibidi toilet on my
So
life?
annoying. Shut up. You're gonna be fighting with my guard dog for 6 months. I'm out of here. Go train with my dog.
Wait, who's that
You know
guard
what to do,
dog?
Tyson.
It's a pendejo. It's a pendejo. It's a pendejo.
Pussy?
No, Tyson. No.
So I hear you're strong, huh?
I'm gonna bite your ear off.
And I'm gonna kick you like a fucking soccer ball.
Oh wow, it's because I'm Mexican. It's a pendejo.
Zing
Fucking
it.
arriba type shit.
Come on, zing it. Let's see what you got. Come on, pussy.
Oh, you hit my balls.
That's it.
I
I'm
knew
charging up
it.
now.
This is so much skibidi. Oh my god, he's not a penis.
Alright, I'm
anymore.
not no P. Shut the fuck up. Okay, pussy. I'm no longer a PNZ. Now bring it.
I thought you were just a picture.
Nah, nigga. I'm real. Fuck on this pussy.
Oh, it's a pendejo. Oh, it's a pendejo.
Come on. I didn't hit that hard.
You're freaking Mike Tyson.
I'm a man
Owie.
of steel. I'm not done with you yet.
Wait, what? Oh my god.
Come on. I'm not done.
Wait, what? No. Yes, King. King, I don't want anymore.
That's
I'm on
gay.
my knees.
Okay. Alright, pussy. I'm gonna knock you out like how I knock your daddy out. Now eat this,
Wait,
bitch.
what?
Are you
You're too weak just like your daddy.
I want my iPad. Oh, that hurt a lot. I just got me diddied. Well, looks like I gotta go train over there at the logs. I gotta walk that off. Let me clean the dirt. Fix my hat. Let's go. Mortal Kombat. I don't know what the fuck I'm saying. Skibidi fucking alpha. Ooh, skibidi toilet. This is for all the skibidis out here. Bam, boom. This is for the alpha males. Bam. I got rid of all the brain rot in my head. I don't know all the skibbity. It's been 6 months. I don't do the skibbity toilet no more. I'm through with that. It's time to go find Mr. Piccolo after 6 fucking months.
It's been 6 months and Gohan has improved a lot. Now he's just gonna take lessons from Demon King Piccolo. But the Saiyans are still coming in 1 year. We will all see what happens next in the next episode of Dragon Ball Z.
This nigga run away.
Where are you going? I can't. Bro, you're supposed to be right here, you idiot! Right here! Right there, now stay there. Continue.
Back away from me. What are you doing?
Just keep going. Keep going, shut up!
Okay.
Just back up. That's it, pussy. I'm charging up now.
My bad, Mom. I hear my mom yelling. Stacy, be quiet.
Okay, just keep going.